Mee Krob, Thai snack. A side dish from Thailand. Serves 2. You will need 20 ingredients. Step 1. Cover tamarind with 3/4 cup hot water. Crush and break up pulp with a fork and let it stand for 20 minutes. Step 2. Pour mixture through a strainer and press it through. Collect ½ cup tamarind liquid. Step 3. Pour oil into a wok or deep saucepan to a depth of about 2 inches. Heat oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large paper bag, pull rice stick noodles apart into small batches. Step 4. Add 1 batch to the oil. If you are making the crispy egg glaze, if the temperature is correct at this time, noodles should puff up within seconds. Remove with a slotted spoon or strainer and drain on paper towel. Repeat with remaining noodles. Step 5. When the rice stick noodles and egg glaze are done, pour off all but 2 tablespoons of oil from wok. Reheat wok and oil over medium-high heat. When hot, add shrimp and chicken. Stir fry for 1 minute or until shrimp are bright orange garlic, and chicken is minced white. Chiles and half the lime zest of the hot wok. Stir fry until soft, but not browned, about 1 minute. Add tomato paste and sugar. Cook, stirring constantly, 7. Until sugar becomes a dark crimson red with a sticky consistency. Reduce to low heat away and simmer together for 1 minute. This is just short of the caramelized chicken shrimp mixture, about 3 to 4 minutes, and remaining lime zest. Be careful not to burn the mixture. Just enough to heat through. Add 1/3 of fried rice stick noodles to the sauce. Gently crush noodles and toss with sauce to coat. Repeat with another third of noodles. Add last third of noodles only if there is enough sauce to coat. Step 9. Toss in the coriander egg glaze. After frying noodles on a platter, skim leftover eggs from wok, broken into smaller pieces, and bean sprouts with salt in bowl. Step 10. When oil is 375 degrees Fahrenheit, hold a medium-fine mesh skimmer over oil, gently pour half the eggs through. Let eggs drip into oil in circular fashion. Deep fry for 30 seconds or until lightly brown and crisp. Travel. Turn over to